In the Department of Mass Media, we have public relations, multimedia journalism, TV and film, advertising. So some days I can be creating a spread for the Arrow to doing stuff behind the camera. You aren't always in the classroom. You can be at Rush Media Center working on the Arrow, or you could be at Growl working on some design work. There's so many different ways that the programs overlap. So advertising can do stuff for multimedia journalism can go to TV and film, and the possibilities are endless. It's small classrooms, so I've worked with the same 10 people in my classroom all the way up from freshman year now to senior year, so you almost have a family-like sense in the classroom. I'm also in NABJ, which is the National Association of Black Journalists, so at first I was very hesitant to get into it, but I got told that you don't have to be a journalist nor you don't have to be black. So I wanted to join just because it's getting me out of the box. I want to be more diverse. Anything you have an interest in, go for it.